how to manage multiple Instagram accounts. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I will show you how you can manage multiple Instagram accounts. So you can manage multiple Instagram accounts easily, all right? And here is how to go about it. The first step is to open the Instagram application on your mobile device. Move to the bottom right corner and click on your profile icon. Then on the profile page, you can see your posts, your followers, number of your following, profile picture, and all of that. And so once you can see this, the next step is to move to the top right corner of the screen and click on the three horizontal lines that you can see there. And so on your settings and activities page, all you need to do next is to scroll down to the last part of the page. And so you can see the option add account, log out all accounts. Just go ahead and click on add account, and then you can see two options here: add account, logging into existing account, or creating your account. So if you have the account created already, just go ahead and click on login into existing account. But if you are just about to create the new account that you would like to switch in between, click on create new account. So for me, I'll just click on login into existing accounts, and then the number of your accounts would be displayed. Okay. And so once they are displayed, the next thing to do is just log in into, select the account you'd like to log in into, and then the page would load as well, and you'd be logged in into the account automatically, just like that. And then if you want to log back into your actual account, move to your bottom right corner again and click on your profile icon, and then on the profiles page, move to the top right corner to click on the settings option, the three horizontal lines, and then scroll down to the last part of the screen again. All right. So by scrolling down, you can also see the option log out, add account. So just go ahead and click on add account, add account. Then select log into existing account again, and then you'll be taken to the next page. And so once you're on this page, you can just go ahead and switch into the actual account that you're using. So you can make use of this to manage as many accounts as you want to on Instagram. It is very easy, very easy. As you can see, I have 3 accounts already on my Instagram page logged in into, so I can just switch between anyone that I want. So this is how to go about it. Thank you for watching and have a good day.